friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a badge. You can make it for your grandparents or for your mom or dad or sibling or friend. You need 2 big circles and 1 small circle and some petals and a scissor. Here, take a rectangle paper and mark it and then cut it like this. Cut more petals like this. Take a big circle and apply glue to it. Then stick the petals. Then stick the petals like a flower. Take a big circle and stick it on the flower. Now take a small circle and stick it on the big circle. Here I'm doing decoration. You can do like stripes or something. You don't need to follow this. Here I am marking the border of the small circle to look more beautiful. Here I am coloring the heart. Now I am marking the heart's border. Here I am sticking the badge tails. Here I am decorating the badge tails. You can do like spots. You don't need to follow this. Here I am coloring the letters so it looks more bright and beautiful. Here I am decorating the badge tails again, so it looks more beautiful. Now badge is ready. Holiday made mom and dad's badge. I hope you liked my video. Thank you for watching my video.